Alright guys, in this lesson we're going to talk about Earth's major biomes, and we will discuss the major biomes and what type of animals and plants you could expect to find in them. On the home page I have linked a video that is located on YouTube that will help you understand the biomes. In the interest of time, we're not going to watch it within the slideshow, but you can check it out and it will help on your own time. So let's get started. The desert covers about 1/5 of Earth's surface. Few animals and plants are adopted to live in the desert biome. Typically, deserts have very hot summers and are warm throughout the rest of the year. Rain is often very light in the desert, and sometimes the rains even evaporate before hitting the ground. Some animals that you might find in the desert would be rattlesnakes, lizards, and other reptiles, and the most common plant in the desert would be cacti. Though there are different kinds of deserts, we will only be dealing with the dry and sandy deserts. The temperate forest. Most temperate forests are found in the United States, Canada, and Europe. The temperate forest has 4 seasons, which are winter, spring, summer, and fall. Temperate forests usually consist of leaf-shedding trees. Some animals you might find in a temperate forest would be, they range all the way from squirrels to bears. Some animals hibernate, and some animals are nocturnal, and some animals hunt for food during the day and sleep at night like humans. Plants you would expect to see would be oak trees and pine trees, just like what you would find here in America. Rainforest. Rainforests help maintain global weather patterns and rain. Rainforests are warm year-round. 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit is the normal rainforest temperature. Yearly rainfall ranges from 80 to 400 inches. This also keeps humidity high. Some plants in the rainforest would be a Venus flytrap and palm trees, excuse me. Common animals are monkeys, exotic birds, and amphibians such as frogs. The tundra. The tundra is the coldest of all biomes. It makes up 1/5 of Earth's land, and the tundra has freezing cold temperatures, which means there are few animals and trees. The tundra also has very little rainfall. This is less than 10 inches per year. There are very few plants, but you could find some moss and small shrubs in a tundra. Most popular animals you would see would be bear and caribou. Grassland. This biome consists of much rich soil and grass. Grasslands are great for farming, and the weather differs greatly between summer and winter. Rain is usually 20 to 35 inches per year. Most of this accounts for snow during the cold winter months. The plants you would find are many species of grass and some trees along the grassland. Animals are hooved herbivores such as buffalo, deer, and horse. Freshwater. Freshwater ecosystems include lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Freshwater is always surrounded by land, and freshwater has a maximum depth of 5.3 feet. Common wildlife are bass, trout, alligators, and storks. Marine. This biome is more commonly known as saltwater or oceans. The marine biome is the largest on Earth, and it covers 70% of Earth's surface. Wildlife you would find in the marine are sharks, seals, whales, and pelicans. Here's a matching activity I have set up for the class. You take the animal and you match it to its biome. So a shark would obviously go in the marine biome. If you match the animal with the wrong biome, say you tried to put a toucan in the desert, puts it back to its original spot. So all you have to do is match the correct animal to the correct biome. That would be rainforest. A caribou goes in the tundra. A squirrel would go in the temperate forest. A zebra would go on the grasslands. And a rattlesnake would be in the desert. Here's the project I want you to do, guys. I want to split the class up into 7 groups, and I want each group to construct a model of the biome that I assigned to your group. I would like you to be creative and use real sand, toys, paint, etc. Whatever you need to use to make it look the best. I will assign each group a biome that you will be constructing the model to represent that biome. Remember, class, be creative and you will be graded on your creativity.